instead they have to go to they got to go to TCU, Fort Worth, which TCU is really hot right now too.
Who, Arkansas does?
Indiana State, Missouri Valley Conference.
Huh.
Missouri Valley Conference, Indiana State beat fucking Arkansas. Adrian Horn.
That's fucking done?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Alright. So, what's this guy's name? Luis Azarez?
There he is. A-R-R-A-E-Z.
Okay. Alright, so he's not gonna bat again, but he's batting 401 now. We gotta go watch this shit. We gotta go
Dad.
to...
Dad.
I'm right here. Why are you yelling in my ear?
No, I got my cousin from China wants to call me real quick. He has a couple questions. He's trying to start a business. So
I
he,
would say always go with the Mongolian beef. You really can't go wrong there.
he's
Oh,
gonna
that's
call
so
me real
shit.
quick. So I'll call you back after I get off the phone with him.
Hey,
He has
guys.
a couple questions.
Make sure you go with the Mongolian beef.
All right, bud.
Okay. Hang on. Did he hang up?
Hey, man.
Look.
Okay.
Dude, I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry.
Alright, now we're gonna watch this Yankees games.
My main question is, do these guys take care of the concrete work as well?
Okay, well, so I talked to them, and that was one of the questions they had for me: is do you need concrete done? Then, do you need water and sewer? Do you need water and sewer done? Are you going to need? Okay, so the city's not gonna do it. The city's taking care of none of it.
Hang on. I think they were getting no hit. Whatever. I know this is kind of boring right now, but we had some exciting shit earlier going on.
And now
Mills.
it's your responsibility to get from the lot to that.
Mills, you alright? I know, that's really like, you don't like the rings.
Okay.
We're just gonna watch.
Okay, so
It's not going to be, I'm not going to have the frame stick. It's going to be
Okay.
metal.
So and then another question was:
Oh, we
do
just
you
gotta
have,
get
do you
food
have
good from
engineering approved
Amazon's.
drawings yet?
No, everything is in the conceptual stage. I need to get pricing. I need to
Okay.
get an estimated cost. Because I need the estimated
Oh,
cost
oh,
before I
yeah.
can apply for the grants and everything.
Okay, so that changes. No, that makes sense. But okay, so here's.
Oh, did
what-
you guys see that thing about Comiskey Park? The old Comiskey Park? They did some YouTube thing on it.
No, hang on a second.
Okay, come on. Let's see.
So one of the questions Adam asked me today was, he was like, look, for us to give estimated costs, we have to have we should have engineered drawings to begin with, but otherwise we at least have to have a conceptual degree or engineering, drawing of what we're looking at. Otherwise there's just no way for them
Okay,
to.
well, I can send that, but, you know, the original question was, where you kind of dropped the ball, is you
Oh yeah, look, we got no hit.
already got another guy answering, so maybe you can put me in touch with your guy.
They're gonna hit this guy, Lucas Giolito, and they're gonna take him out.
Sure. No, well, listen. I should not be the go.
This is horseshit.
Anyway, this is not
Come
what
on.
I do. So.
Yeah,
I mean,
0 hits to 6 minutes. First time Trent Fraser was playing right field for the White Sox now. Watch them off.
I'm not
They took
trying
the
to-
motherfucker
I've
out.
just been busy.
Motherfucker had a no hitter
Then I overthink
to
it.
fucking 6 innings and they took the motherfucker out.
Whatever.
That's fucking horseshit. Watch. He's gonna get hit. Right? Well, fucking Donaldson, he's batting like 160.
Here's the deal with him.
He's batting like
he does not do
167.
this
What a
anymore,
fuck.
but he
I can
is
go.
one of
I
those
can go over the
guys
fucking
who
plate
retires
without a
out
bat
before
and bat
everything.
167.
But now he owns a different business where
Wow.
he builds LED walls.
Well, that's the best rip he's had all years.
That being said, he is one of the most qualified general
What the fuck?
contractors that I've ever met.
Watch this motherfucker okay.
Um,
The swing miss at
he's 2
this
years
pitch
younger
will
than
be
me.
blown away. Ooh.
He's an exceptional businessman. He's an entrepreneur, and I mean, at one point he was building like.
It's okay. I heard play for the Red Sox, Dodgers on a
No, I
huge
think you should- I think
contract.
you should talk to him. I
Now he's
think
with
you
the
should,
White
because
Sox.
He's more well connected than anybody. Dude, remember, at this level of shit, you're just trying to. Who's connected? Who can?
Oh my god, you fucking gonna watch on that? See,
So,
told you.
I'm telling you.
What the fucking.
So,
How the fuck is that motherfucker playing in Major League fucking Baseball? Mills, what did you think about that? Yeah, that fucking sucked,
there
right?
you go. There you go.
Oh, fuck
There
it.
you go. So,
Okay, so please send me his contact.
Okay, we're gonna watch him get hit here. I think Stanton's up. No.
He sees a call from coming from China to answer it.
yep, I will. I will. I know he's out with his kids tonight, but I'll try to
6
text him.
minutes.
But
He walked
he'll
in the
want to call me
claws.
first, but then I'll tell him.
Jesus, he's batting 192?
You can just brief him, and I have just
Oh my god.
size of the building, and all that stuff. And it's not urgent, Tom. It's just I'm trying to feed information to keep the ball rolling because, you know, like I got an email from
Look,
the county and the state asking me questions, and they're about, you know, employees
That's just-
and then the amount of grant money that I
yeah, watch this motherfucking K right here.
Lanny, I get it. Shit flows downhill. And you need answers to
Yeah,
questions.
where's that fucking
because
pitch
you
clock?
need to apply for shit. I get it. So, yeah.
Ugh.
At the end of the day, at least you'll get a second set of numbers and you can look at it and evaluate it.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know. He might.
We
Your
got
other
Tyler
dude is your
Woods,
other dude
20
local to
Uh-oh.
Auburn.
He almost fucking went after it.
No,
We got fucking Tyler Woods down here. 2012, 2013.
So he might. I mean, he might just have better pricing because he's more local than Adam would be. But I mean, at least you'll have numbers. So.
yeah, I just want numbers, you know.
Yeah. Do you know what the?
Oh!
He's already, you know, put.
Oh, watch, he ain't gonna get it.
Everything, and then plus he's communicating with the city council and all that too. So.
What is there any kind? Is there any kind of?
Down
Is
that area.
is there any kind of deadline other than them asking you questions?
No deadlines.
Okay.
No deadlines.
Hmm.
I just like to get everything done by the end, of, started and hopefully have everything.
We were supposed to sweep this fucking series.
Okay. Do you have? So you have preliminary drawings on on the structure of the
On the
building.
progress.
Do you have any of the type of materials that will be like? Is there a certain level of like a material level
I
of
see
like the
okay.
metal or anything? that's
Told yous.
required that's more
Told yous.
expensive than something normal?
Told yous.